Greetings, friends and family of the YouTube community. KingYao here with a vlog video today. Like I said, more of y'all have been looking for these vlog videos. I'm here to be more entertaining for y'all and show y'all the lifestyle, the brand, the whole mentality, how you be the best version of yourself. That's all about KingYao. That's the whole vision of my channel, guys, is to teach you how to be the best version of yourself. And right now, KingYao is learning from himself and really learning from his life experiences, like learning from his own videos, through my mentors, and really how to grind, how to have fun, and really show y'all, like I said, show y'all the process. Right now, KingYao's in the process of getting a new apartment, like I said. KingYao through the KingYao Fest a couple weeks ago, unfortunately, that check got him evicted from his landlord. So right now, KingYao is looking for a new apartment, and today, he's got a viewing piece to show y'all. So like I said, show y'all the lifestyle. So this is the apartment viewing today for 1524 Neo Avenue. Like KingYao needs to be close to campus because he loves to work out at the gym, so he needs to be close to the gym. He doesn't have a car right now. He has to walk everywhere. But that's no excuses. KingYao don't make excuses for himself. He don't feel sorry for himself. So right now, KingYao has to do this video for you. So sit back and enjoy. Best motivational entertainment in the game. Give y'all a little tour. Show y'all where KingYao might live and where he might do his videos. Like I said, I really believe in the background environment, having a great background. And this guy, he's currently living in his apartment right now. Like, look at this, guys. This guy also has a tripod, so this guy must also be really into doing YouTube or doing something of equal caliber. Like KingYao's passionate about his life. And he's really passionate about showing y'all the process. Because like I said, the process where you become better yourself. And yeah, KingYao right now, he's got an apartment, 1524 Neo Avenue. The apartment is $600 a month. And KingYao is looking for roommates. Like, if y'all want to, well, KingYao thinks he needs to live by himself because KingYao needs that, he has rituals every day. He needs to be disciplined to his rituals. So I'll show y'all a little tour of the apartment and how you guys can get like I show y'all my lifestyle, like show y'all the brand, you know, show y'all the way KingYao moves. Like this is a new apartment. Look at it, guys. It's pretty big. It's alright. $600 a month. Not as big as my current place, but like I said, it's a great environment for me to do videos. Like I can do these videos in the background and be entertaining. Like I said, I just want to be entertaining for y'all. And really show y'all a good time, man. Like this guy, look at this guy. This guy, whoever lives there, this guy must also have the same passion as KingYao. Because look, he eats like supplements too. And I just released a video today titled Ryan Dangler Collaboration. And I really want to reach out to Ryan Dangler because Ryan Dangler is someone that KingYao look up to over the years and really motivates KingYao and what he's doing right now, which is being a fitness influencer, being the king of fitness, y'all, showing y'all how to work out and be the best version of yourself. And right now, KingYao is missing master his craft. So, yeah, like this guy really, like I said, I really want to reach out to Ryan Dangler. I really hope Ryan Dangler gets to watch my videos, see the awesomeness in KingYao's purpose and mission and vision, and what he's trying to do in life, which is to create a blueprint, show y'all the blueprint map to success. And like I said, give y'all a little tour. It's the fridge, the freezer. Nothing in the freezer. Let's see what this guy has in the fridge. He's got a lot of cranberries in the fridge. And V8 in the fridge. And V8 sounds pretty good right now. So, yeah, KingYao is like, KingYao's really learning to enjoy himself more in these videos. But unfortunately, this doesn't belong to KingYao. So you can't drink one. So, yeah. But like I said, I really hope y'all enjoy a little tour, showing y'all more of my lifestyle, like what I deal with on a daily basis. Like that, KingYao goes through depression too, guys. KingYao was just depressed, man. Like I was suicidal, man. I was suicidal like a week ago. I wanted to kill myself, and show y'all a story, man. This here is no joke, man. I went to Vance's to try to buy a gun and shoot myself in the head like a week ago. Really, I was that depressed, guys. I was that suicidal, like. Man, you really got to persevere. And man, I'm so grateful that I'm alive right now because I love doing YouTube videos, man. I don't know what it was. I was just through a dark phase in my life. Like I said, I'm out of dark phase now. So I'm learning that killing myself isn't the best way to go about life. Like I really got to get myself out of that headspace. Like I said, KingYao isn't about negativity. And KingYao is no way of thinking suicide is the way to go. Like KingYao doesn't believe in suicide, but man, like I was that low, guys. I really was that fucking low. No joke, guys. I even had the money ready to go, but luckily, KingYao didn't pass the background check. So now KingYao's alive, and since KingYao's alive, it's either I was gonna create my legacy or I was not. I want you to be the motherfucking goat of everything or I was not. And right now, KingYao wants to be the goat of everything. And now, seeing that my legacy is still alive, and seeing my gifts develop in the way it's developed, as I said, I really love doing these Christmas tour videos for y'all, showing y'all the lifestyle, the mentality, the brand. Here's the bathroom, guys. Bathroom. Sir! Bathroom where KingYao would take future showers. And KingYao really needs future showers, like hot showers, because he doesn't take a hot shower in a week, man. Like, I've been up. I stayed up last week. Like ever since I was trying to kill myself, guys. I've been grinding like non-stop. I made 30 posts on Instagram last week. 30 posts. I drew 15 YouTube videos in 1 week, yo. Really grinding, going hard on my craft. And yeah, like I really hope y'all enjoy this little tour, showing y'all the bathroom, toilet paper, mouthwash. Like I said, this is where KingYao might shoot future videos. So be ready for the future. Like I said, KingYao probably doesn't release this place because he can't afford to be homeless. Like KingYao can't afford to be homeless for y'all. He can't shoot videos for y'all if he's homeless. Like he just can't do that. KingYao's got the mindset of a winner. And being a champion, like you gotta strive to try and master chaos. You gotta learn. Like one of the videos titled "My Maximum for My Party." One of my subscribers, like I'm here to shout out my subscribers, Jennifer Glover. Like when you're in the middle of a tornado, that's when you need to become the best version of yourself. And right now, KingYao is learning how to exude certainty, how to be the best version of himself. And the only way he's gonna do it is having a home, guys. Like I said, I'm really, for all those people out there that really support me in what I'm doing, I'm really grateful for y'all. And like I said, hopefully KingYao gets to keep a home in his head because he's gonna make videos for y'all all the time. Like I'm gonna drop YouTube videos, like 2-3 YouTube videos a day now. I'm really showing y'all my lifestyle, my brand, my mentality, the way I move, the way I think, the way I carry myself, and the way I, like I said, I got motivation speeches coming out the ass, yo. Like Ryan Dangler, man, come on, do a fitness collab with your boy KingYao, and yeah, like KingYao will help you. Ryan Dangler is fucking like the goat of, like one of the goats of fitness, and I really just want to work out with the best because I sort of showed, like I'm really passionate stage in my life right now. I just want to keep that passion alive, keep that fire alive, guys. That's the fire in the belly. Motivation is coming soon for y'all. Fire in the belly. That's just coming soon. And KingYao knows something about these videos. As he beats his craft, as he shows y'all his goals, he's more destined to carry out his vision. So like I said, I really hope y'all enjoy the Perfect 4 video. Previews to come. This will be my new place. Yes, sir. This is probably the new place where KingYao shoots his videos. I'm gonna get a white background or a black background and just make that shit look epic and shoot a video like on a tripod, like standing like this. Like my current tripod, what do you call it? Selfie stick has a tripod, so like I want to try more tripod videos, show y'all how I work out and shit. And bring my speakers in here. And like I don't have a TV in here. But at the end of the day, man, I just need some headphones, some good music, and lastly, I need to figure out a way. If anyone want to help KingYao move, oh sorry, I'm almost done with the video. I'm sorry, I apologize. This is a guy right here showing KingYao's tour, and he's in a hurry. He's got to show a tour more apartments. So like I said, KingYao at the end of the day, hope y'all enjoy the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and holla back at your boy KingYao out on the day, showing y'all the mentality, the lifestyle, the brand, the whole juice. Later, I would love for my fans and prosperity to the people. There you go.